Recording in progress. Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Career Path Discussion Series by Uplatz. In this video, we will discuss the career path of a full stack developer. So, full stack developer is a versatile professional capable of working on both the front end and the back end of web applications. They are proficient in building complete web solutions, from designing user interfaces to managing databases and server-side logic. The role combines skills in both development and architecture, making full-stack developers highly sought after in the tech industry. So we are going to cover the introduction, the definition, the skills and salaries, how to start the journey, career opportunities and growth, call to action, and conclusion. So first of all, introduction. So as we discussed, full stack developers work in a variety of industries, ranging from startups to large enterprises, where they contribute to the development of websites, web applications, and mobile backends. Web development began with basic HTML pages and gradually evolved alongside advancements in technology and user expectations. The introduction of CSS and JavaScript enabled more dynamic and visually appealing websites. With the rise of responsive design and mobile applications, web development became increasingly complex and multifaceted. A full stack web developer is an individual skilled in both the front end and the back end aspects of the web development. So, who is a full stack developer? So, front end development involves designing and implementing the parts of a website or application that users interact with directly. This is achieved using languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, along with front-end frameworks such as React, Angular, or Vue.js. And back-end development involves working with the server, databases, and application logic to ensure that the application functions as expected. This typically requires knowledge of server-side languages like Node.js, Python, Ruby, Java, or PHP, as well as database management systems such as MySQL, PostgreSQL, or MongoDB. A full stack developer often handles the entire web development process, ensuring that both the front end and back end work seamlessly together. They also have knowledge of the tools and processes that integrate the two sides, such as APIs, version control, and deployment. What are the roles and responsibilities? The specific responsibilities of a full stack web developer can vary based on the company and project, but generally, it includes front end development, that is, designing and implementing the UI using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and related frameworks. Back end development, meaning creating and managing server side code, developing APIs, working with databases, and ensuring data flow between the server and the front end. This involves languages like Node.js, Python, Java, and PHP. Database management, designing, implementing, and interacting with databases such as MySQL, PostgreSQL, MongoDB, or SQLite. Version control. Using version control systems like Git to track changes, collaborate with team members, and manage code versions. API development and integration, deployment and hosting, testing and debugging, optimization, scalability, collaboration are the other important tasks of full stack web developers. Now, what are the skills and salaries?
In progress.
So, the essential skills. Full stack developers must be proficient in a wide range of skills covering both front end and back end. The key skills include front end skills like expertise in HTML5 for structuring content and CSS3 for styling web pages. Strong knowledge of JavaScript, including ES6 features and beyond. Familiarity with frameworks like React, Angular, or Vue.js. Understanding of building responsive websites using tools like Bootstrap or CSS Grid. Proficiency with Git for managing and sharing code across different environments. Basic knowledge of user-centered design principles to ensure an intuitive user experience. Backend skills like server-side languages, databases, APIs, authentication and security, cloud computing. DevOps skills like CI/CD, containerization, deployment tools, testing and debugging skills like unit testing, using debugging tools to resolve issues in the development environment. So all these are the skills required. Now, career growth and salaries. So what are the salary expectation? Salaries for full stack web developers vary depending on experience, location, and the type of company. Entry level full stack developer can earn up to $85,000 per year. Mid level full stack developer can earn up to $110,000 per year. Senior full stack developer can earn up to $140,000 per year. Lead full stack developer can earn up to $180,000 per year. In high cost living areas, salaries tend to be on the higher end of the scale. Many companies also offer bonus, stock options, and additional perks and health benefits.
Recording in progress.
So, what are the certifications and training for full stack web developers? Become a full stack developer. A combination of formal education and practical experience is usually required. A degree in computer science, software engineering, information technology, or related fields can be beneficial, but it's not always mandatory. Full stack web development boot camps offer intensive training over a shorter period and are popular alternative to traditional degrees. Platforms like Uplatz Platforms like Uplatz offer courses on both front-end and back-end technologies that can be self-paced and tailored to your learning needs. Certifications like Azure Developer Associate, AWS Certified Developer Associate, Google Certified Cloud Engineer, MongoDB Certified Developer, React.js certification, Node.js certification. So these certifications validate your expertise in specific tools and platforms and can make you attractive to potential employers. So how to start the journey? To become a full stack web developer, learn the fundamentals. Start by learning HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. There are plenty of free resources online and platforms like Uplatz to learn. Learn a backend language like Node.js, Python, Ruby, or PHP. Familiarize yourself with backend concepts like databases, server logic, and REST APIs. Build projects and online portfolio. Learn front-end frameworks. Practice APIs. Get comfortable with both consuming and building APIs. This is essential for connecting your front end with the back end. Work on full stack projects. Get experience. And finally, keep learning. What are the career opportunities and growth? Full stack developers have a wide range of career opportunities, both in terms of advancement and lateral moves into different roles, like senior full stack developer, lead engineer, software engineer, product manager, or CTO. After gaining significant experience, you could move into management roles, guiding the direction of a company's technology products and strategies. DevOps engineer with experience in deployment and cloud technology. Some full stack developers move into DevOps role, focusing on automation and infrastructure management. Conclusion and call to action. Becoming a full stack web developer is a dynamic and rewarding career path, offering plenty of opportunities for growth. As organizations increasingly seek professionals who can handle both front end and back end development, full stack developers are in high demand. If you're passionate about web development and enjoy working on both front end and back end, and embark on your full stack web developer journey, so start learning today, build projects, and enhance skills to stand out in the tech industry. Thank you.